So that's the last bit of the jigsaw. This has got to go in here. And then that will be all of this side done. So that's got to go in there like that. Then our nice FIAT bolts have got to go through here. And this picks up on the wishbone. So that's where the wishbone goes on. Mounts onto there. So this carries them. So what I'll do, I'll get that bolted on, and then I'm going to MIG plug through here, fill all these holes up, obviously go around the edges, then that'll get ground down, and then I'll probably use the gas through here so I can sort of dress it out a bit. So you can see I've let a piece in there, which is the lower of this, then this is getting that bit, and then I've done a bit here with a wiring tang on it there. And then obviously, as as you'll have seen, the whole chassis rail's new, and then that tongue that goes up in's new. So that's it. It's that's looking good, I reckon. Quite pleased with that. Right, I'll just get a socket and a spanner to do them up. Yeah. Maybe you can maybe you can film it from this side, because I'll be the other side, and I'll do them up. Maybe do that. Do you need me to clap, or? No, that's right. Yeah, okay, I'll just do that. Yeah. So yeah, we can do what we need to do there, can't we? So I've got to scribe this bit in here, because obviously I've got to cut this in so it sits in there flush. You can see it's very nearly there. It's only about 1 mil I've got to take off. Very, very little bit I've got to take off just to get this right, so it sits in there right. So I'll probably do that. Probably have to do that with a whizzy wheel. See, that fits better now through there. So we're getting somewhere. So you can see I've got a nice sort of tight here, so I can put a gas weld through here. I'll probably hold it with MIG to begin with, a couple of little MIG dots just to hold it, and then I'll gas weld that through and dress it out. I've got to do a bit more dressing out on this. And then you can see our FIAT bolts here, they need to get welded in, but I won't have the washers on them at that point. I'm just using these washers really to sort of hold it and pull it in. And I'll have to clamp a few bits here whilst I, fill these up. So the idea is this will all get filled. These will get filled with the MIG welder, and they effectively, that'll replicate a spot weld. So you can see here we've got spot welds. How it's the under bit is spot welded here. Well, I can't get my spot welder in there, so this is how I'm gonna have to do it. So they'll replicate it, but that's how I've done these. These are all MIG plugs. And then I've just put the little die grinder in there just to put a pimple to give it the sort of look of a spot weld. So that'll all work out, won't it? So it's Friday night, and I want to get this done before I go home so that I can say this is done this week. So you better leave me to it so I can get on with it.